Hey guys, hope you are doing well. So after the last week correction that came after the SEC banned staking actually in the US, the market dropped, but during the weekend we see some nice consolidation. My name is Mike Denkler from CorionX and I'm bringing you the most important crypto news, technical analysis, altcoin, NFT, DeFi gems to keep you updated and educated. I should state that nothing in this video can be considered as a financial or investment advice, so everything just for your education and entertainment purposes only. So guys, smash those like, push the bell and notification, or subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Smashing those like is helping out the YouTube algorithm, so appreciate all your likes, and let's go and check out our favorite bubble charts. Let's see what's happening out there. And as we see the market, a few coins like Mina protocol that rallied really nicely last week, correcting, but it went up just 32% in a week. And we see today Binance, Rose, Baby Doge, Basic Attention, Lido Finance, Zilliqa, and Solana ICP pumping, and also Phantom and Maker, Loopring, Optimism, Aptos correcting a little bit. Bitcoin is slightly up, Ethereum a little bit down 0.8%, and Binance coin is up 2%. So guys, let's go and check out our favorite indicator, the crypto fear at green index, and you see we are at 50, so the market is in the neutral zone. So great to see that the market is since 2 weeks we are back in the neutral zone and sometimes in the greed zone. Okay guys, so let's go and check out our first news. Let's see what's happening. So Bitcoin is already in its next bull market cycle according to Pantera Capital. So the cycles Bitcoin and altcoins lows are behind us, Pantera CEO Dan Morehead says, as he looks to a year of rebuilding trust. So that will be a rebuilding trust, but bulls are out there. Okay, crypto assets have seen the lows this cycle. Panther has been through 10 years of Bitcoin cycles, and I have traded through 35 years of similar cycles. I believe that blockchain assets have seen the lows and that we are in the next bull market cycle regardless of what happens in the interest rate sensitive asset classes. So it's not depending on what the interest rates hikes will causing market to drop. So he states that it will not affect crypto. The decline from November 2021 to November 2022 was the median of the typical cycle. This is the only bear market to more than completely wipe out the previous bull market. In this case, giving back 136% of the previous rally. The median downdraft has been 307 days, and the previous bear market was 376 days. The median drawdown has been 73% drawn draft, and the latest bear market ended at 77. Okay, so let's make this bigger. Major Bitcoin price cycles. Okay, it's too big. Okay, these are the bull markets, and these are bear markets, and Bitcoin price with this yellow, and also how much time the price increased. And you see that this is the median, the 11-year trend. So 11-year trend is up, and the drawdown was 77%. A jurisdiction by jurisdiction recovery. 2022 was a year of booms and major busts, especially as it pertains to CeFi. In the span of a few months, the world saw Free Arrow Capital collapse, Duquoise, Luna disintegrate, Voyager Digital go bankrupt, and Sam Bankman-Fried's FTX empire shattered. What did all these events have in common? The headlines suggest that it was crypto or Web3 that failed, but in fact it was a combination of bad actors skirting lines in jurisdictions without clear regulation. If 2022 was the year of breaking rules and failing, I believe 2023 is the year that entities instead follow the rules and enjoy the rewards of doing so. So I like this. So guys, I like this. Let me know in the comment section what do you think, but I can totally agree. Bitcoin price iced 22,000 US dollar rebound with BTC market structure not yet broken. So the market structure is not yet broken. Actually, Bitcoin made a higher high on the charts, and that looks pretty amazing. Analyst dismisses historical crypto sentiment. Fire chart shows crypto weekend whales seem interested in trying to exploit the upside liquidity in the Bitcoin order book to sell higher. Personally, I'm fine with that. Part of the accompanying comments read. So I don't know how much you can see from this, but this is a fire chart, and you see that here are some sell orders. Crypto Twitter historical about bear market when BTC hasn't retested a major fib or moving average, which were busted after 3 waves up. I'm short as per my updates while we reside below the main resistance zone below 2024, 2026, 20,600. Overall, I could see another tap of the highs if we can hold above 20,300 overall. Market structure is not broken yet to the downside just yet. So the market structure is still intact. CPI leads important macro data a week. Big weeks ahead of us. My thoughts are that we are likely to see inflation continue to fall and fall steeply. Gas prices have been dropping like a stone also, and this drop markets up. So the CPI expecting volatility to continue through Tuesday CPI report, but CPI should just drop further. And as you see, this is the old items that consumer price index. Cool. Canadian University Dubai backtracks on accepting crypto via Binance Pay. Okay. Cool. Next piece of news is Bitcoin to explode by over 70% before a very fast reversal occurs, says crypto analyst. Here is his timeline. So Michael van den Poppe, I think that the take profit price will start to take place around 29,000 US dollars and the most likely 37 to 40,000. I think that this entire run, and now we have got the sideways period which can just last for a few weeks before you can start running again. This run towards 37 to 40,000 US dollars is most likely going to take place in Q2. And then we have another very fast correction taking place before the entire bull cycle starts to take off. So there will be a correction after that and a takeoff. Cool. Next, Ethereum price risk 20% correction amid SEC's crackdown on crypto staking. So yes, it's hurting Ethereum, but maybe also there is some advantages as Ethereum will be more decentralized. Yeah, but the charts actually looks pretty good, so nothing has been broken yet. Will Ethereum staking survive the SEC crackdown? Today, many investors who would like to stake Ethereum and earn yield are sitting on the sidelines. After all, most investment strategies can tolerate and identify lockup. So most investors stay out of the market, but once that identify lockup is removed, the percentage of investors willing to stake their Ether will explode. If the SEC bans crypto staking for the public, then a majority of Ethereum validators will have to come down. Because you need 32 Ethers to stake, which means the Ethereum network is going to experience issues. I don't think, because there are many liquid staking platforms like Lido Finance, Rocket Pool, so this is the best to use. And also Ethereum just bounced at the 200-day exponential moving average support, so that's holding nicely. Let's make this bigger, and you see this is the 200 and the 50-day moving average, exponential moving averages, and they will just now crossing, but good to see that the 200-day is holding the Ethereum price. Cool. Next piece of news is Kraken CEO calls on Congress to protest US crypto industry following settlement with SEC over staking platform. Okay, so CEO of crypto exchange Kraken, Jesse Powell, has called on Congress to pass a law to protect the US crypto industry after the Security and Exchange Commission took action against his trading platform over its crypto staking services. Congress must act to protect the domestic crypto industry and US customers who will now be going offshore to obtain services no longer available in the US. Staking services for non-US clients will continue uninterrupted. Non-US clients can continue to stake and unstake assets as well as automatically earn and stake rewards as usual. Cool. I honestly hope that somebody proves in court that there is a legal, user-friendly version of custodial staking that can be offered to US customers. It will be a brutal, lengthy, expensive fight and a massive distraction, but the industry and the USA will be extremely grateful. So I can totally agree. And yeah. Next piece of news is SEC's Hester Pierce blast agency's attack on Kraken's crypto staking platform. Okay. Instead of taking the path of thinking through staking programs and issuing guidance, we again choose to speak through an enforcement action purporting to make clear to the marketplace that staking as a service providers must register and provide full, fair, and truthful disclosure and investors protection. Using enforcement action to tell people what the law is an emerging industry is not an efficient or fair way of regulating. Moreover, staking services are not uniform, so one of enforcement action and cookie cutter analysis doesn't cut it. Most concerning through it that all our solution to a registration violation is to shut down entirely a program that has served people well. The program will no longer be available in the United States, and Kraken is enjoyed from every offering staking services in the United States, registered or not. A paternalistic and lazy regulator settles on a solution like the one in this settlement. Don't initiate a public process to develop a workable registration process that provides valuable information to investors. Just shut it down. More transparency around crypto staking programs like Kraken might well be a good thing. However, whether we need a uniform regulatory solution of it, that regulatory solution is best provided by a regulator that in a hostile to crypto in form of an enforcement action is less clear. So guys, and she is working at SEC and she is talking against SEC, so I like it. Hester Pierce, great. So, opinion crypto world survive and SEC crackdown on staking. Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong has heard rumors that security watchdog may go after proof of stake services. That may hurt his bottom line, but open protocols should survive. Yeah, so definitely Ethereum would survive if they are going after also Ethereum staking. Cool. So that was the last week craziness in crypto, and that's the market started to dump. Cool. Okay, so next, after Kraken, crypto companies could be the next. These crypto companies could be the targeted next by SEC. Okay, which are those? Bigger balance sheet wouldn't hurt either. The peak at the bottom of the bear market waited for us to do a 30% layoff. Will the SEC target Coinbase? The SEC chairman Gary Gensler remarked that the action is meant to make it clear to the market that staking as a service providers must register. This has caused an uproar in the crypto industry and raised questions about the SEC will target next. Yeah, I think they will target Coinbase, so it's not a question for me. Our customers' rewards are tethered to realities. They depend on the rewards paid by the protocol and commissions that we disclose. We don't play games. Our customers have a right to their rewards. We can just decide to not to pay any rewards at all, CLO of Coinbase stated. We will keep fighting for economic freedom. Our mission at Coinbase, some days being the most trusted brand in crypto, means protecting our customers from government overreach. Who is the next? Okay, some rumors. To clarify speculations, Paxos has not been asked to withdraw its application for a National Trust Bank charter from the OCC, nor has it denied the charter. Paxos continues to work constructively with the OCC. But next piece of news is that Paxos under investigation by US authorities, according to this report. And maybe because Paxos is the issuer entity of the Binance USD, so BUSD. And also they have the Paxos dollar and the Paxos gold. Investigation launched. So the department is in continuous contact with regulated entities to understand vulnerabilities and risk to consumer and institutions themselves from crypto market volatility we are experiencing. Reason for investigation unconfirmed. BUSD is a one backed stablecoin that is one of the more transparent stablecoin in the existence. Yeah, we'll see, guys, because Paxos, I think it's a US company, and I think they are doing everything that to be in line with the regulations and laws. What we'll see. Next piece of news is Mississippi Senate passes bill to protect cryptocurrency miners from discrimination. Some good news here, guys. Good news. Digital assets mining has often faced regulatory challenges at the state and the local levels. Okay, Mississippi Senate. It shall be legal in the state of Mississippi to run a node for the purpose of home digital asset mining and operate a digital asset mining business also should be legal. Cool. Great to see this. Next huge news. Bitcoin NFT ordinals boost Taproot adoption by 1000% in Q1 2023, driving Taproot adoption on the Bitcoin network. According to Dune Analytics, okay, Taproot adoption has gone from being used in less than 2% of all Bitcoin transactions to reaching a peak of 9.7% on February 10. This represents an increasing 100,000%, and it's largely due to the rise of Bitcoin NFT ordinals. This is the use of the Taproot network. Okay, that's pretty amazing. In 2021, Bitcoin underwent a major update known as Taproot, which improved scalability and privacy for Bitcoin users. With Taproot, Bitcoin users can spend less time and resources verifying transactions, and it supports smart contracts and other sophisticated layers of Bitcoin. So it is expected that Taproot adoption will significantly increase the use of NFTs. So guys, you can have NFTs on the Bitcoin blockchain. Taproot makes it much more convenient for people to engage in NFT transactions. Taproot makes it possible to create more sophisticated smart contracts, which could lead to more advanced NFTs. So great news, because DeFi and NFTs will come on Bitcoin. Cool. Next piece of news is also Taproot related. Ordinal inscriptions take the NFT world by storm. Over 50,000 added to the Bitcoin blockchain in 2023. 50,000 ordinal inscriptions as the trend has continued to increase daily. People are inscribing text, images, videos, audio, and software applications onto the blockchain, with some inscriptions fetching high prices via over-the-counter trades. A clone of the popular NFT collectibles CryptoPunks, called Ordinal Punks, is selling for similar values to the original NFTs minted on Ethereum. So guys, now we have CryptoPunks on Bitcoin. Great to see Ordinal Punks. What a great. We inscribed OCM on Bitcoin is a highly efficient way in the inscription. Okay. Cool. So at least we have NFTs on the Bitcoin blockchain. Next, adoption news. Brazil's oldest bank allows residents to pay their taxes using crypto. So a bank making it happen that Brazilian taxpayers to easily settle their tax liabilities while expanding access to the digital asset ecosystem. It's amazing, guys. Actually, this is amazing. So they can pay taxes. It's available to Brazilians with crypto under the custody of DeFi, which will act as a collection partner for the major Brazilian bank. Cool. Great news. Next, also adoption news. Bit2Me debit card launch gives users up to 9% cashback on all purchases. So guys, Bit2Me, the biggest Spanish exchange and the first company to be recognized as a virtual service provider by the Bank of Spain, has just launched a long-awaited debit card. The Bit2Me debit card works across the entire MasterCard network, enabling both crypto stablecoin payment across more than 90 million global businesses and up to 9% cashback on all payments. NFT-enabled mobile devices such as smartphones and smartwatches also can be used for payments. Okay, great. Bit2Me instead of brings support to more digital currencies throughout 2023, so that more crypto users will be able to take advantage of all the benefits of the card, such as the 9% cashback. So guys, we will order one. Dozens of professionals have been involved in these projects, and after 2 years of work, we have found the key to connect cryptocurrencies to the MasterCard payment network. To do this, we had to modify the transaction flow, which is part of the International Card Payment Protocol, so that customers can use cryptocurrencies to pay instantly and transparently for businesses. Moreover, we have managed to add up 9% cashback on purchases. Insane. I like it. Our mission is to bring the use of cryptocurrencies closer to everyone. Bit2Me card allows you to use your cryptocurrency easily and quickly in your day-to-day life. You can use cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin or stablecoins such as USDT at physical or online store. So guys, I will order one and I'll let you know. Next piece of news is Rich Dad Poor Dad. Robert Kiyosaki warns everything will crash. Plans to buy more Bitcoin. Okay, he has warned that everything will crash, including gold, silver, and Bitcoin. However, he sees crashes as buying opportunities, nothing that he will buy more. Crash is here. Everything will crash, including price of gold, silver, Bitcoin. Don't panic. Good news, I will buy more gold, silver, Bitcoin. Real money with fake US dollar. So he will buy real money with fake US dollar. So I like it. So great news about Web3 startups raised 7.1 billion US dollar in funding during 2022. Gaming accounted for 62%. So it's huge, and I think no thanks. Okay, so Web3 and gaming still one of the hottest narratives, and also metaverse, social networks. So I see it at infrastructure, AR, VR, and AI. Biggest spenders: venture capital firms, Binance Labs, Paradigm, Andreessen Horowitz, and HiveMind are the biggest spenders. Cool, great news. So guys, let's go and check out my Twitter feed. Definitely follow me at MIKLOSDenkler on Twitter. Also be sure you are following at Corion platform and also at laserpunk_gods on NFT Launchpad projects. So definitely let's engage in Laserpunk Gods tweet. So like and also comment, and then if you are active, that you will be on the whitelist. And also CorionX holders and stakers will get some benefits to be on the whitelist. So Bitcoin, this is from Halfini, 1 million Bitcoin 20 years ago. Bitcoin has the potential to become the dominant currency for large-scale electronic transaction worldwide. If this happens, Bitcoin could be worth millions of dollars each. I see the recent increase in value as the rise in the consensus probability that Bitcoin will succeed. And that was in February 2011. And yeah, so great guy Halfini. There is this royal fund, but I think when you will see this video that it will be ended. You can mint NFTs for free. Illiquid supply means less Bitcoin is on market to sell. If demand rises, prices goes up. So this is from National Bitcoin, and 78% of Bitcoin illiquid supply. It's not liquid. It's stored on in a hardware wallet. So Bitcoin 3-week charts. This is the first time after such a long correction that the rainbow RSI turns green. So this is the rainbow RSI, and it's turned green. And this will indicate, we'll see soon, start the new Bitcoin bull run. 3-day exponential moving average ribbon, also bullish crossover, great to see. Bitcoin golden cross in 2019 and in 2023, so some similarities that you see in this cross. And also after crossing, that was a correction each time. The history doesn't repeat, but always rhymes. Bitcoin 2018, 2019, and also Bitcoin in this year. So similar bottoming formation, and then similar run up and consolidation. Give a like and share. A higher high just printed on the Bitcoin chart. So great to see that we have one higher high here after breaking up this trend line. And this can be a good sign for further continuation, and this correction is a much awaited correction. Okay, I was hiking out there, and also GMX from the very beginning, and we are staking it. So I like GMX, and it has a potential. Just do like what Matic did. German banks are moving into Bitcoin, and yeah, so banning Ethereum would be not beneficial for the US. So I think this is, in this competition, US will fail if they are banning staking Ethereum. So guys, let's check out our farms. Let's go and provide some liquidity on PancakeSwap and lock up your LPs on our farm. You can earn a juicy APRs from 90% up to 120%, and also we will adjust the APRs, so you can expect higher APIs on our Binance Smart Chain farm. So definitely it's worth to provide some liquidity and earning more coins, tokens here. So guys, let's go and check out what the Bitcoin chart is showing us. So actually we corrected back to the 38.2 Fibonacci levels, and also this is a perfect retest of this downward trending trend line, and also this is the golden cross. So this is one of my buying zone, but we'll see how we are starting this week and how the CPI data will come. Ethereum is just dropped to $1,500 US, so I'm planning starting a long position here. And also let's say, so Ethereum just about the 200-day moving average, so it looks pretty good, and I think Ethereum will be stronger after the Shanghai upgrade. So guys, yeah, so that's it for today. Definitely go and just provide some liquidity and use our farms. Follow me and Corion platform Laserpunk Gods on Twitter, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.